The classic Philly cheesesteak sandwich in a taco, because everything is better inside a taco. And this Taco Tuesday version has everything you love in a crunchy tortilla. We're gonna start today's recipe from the Taco Tuesday cookbook by preparing our meat. I have a piece of skirt steak here that I'm going to cut against the grain and put them in this bowl. Now to cut them against the grain, it's a long piece, so I just cut it into smaller pieces. And this is the direction of the grain. So to go against the grain, you go on the horizontal and start slicing. Most of the time in recipes, you're going to see cut against the grain on cuts of meat like flank or skirt, because if not, it tends to be really tough and chewy. I'm gonna season the steak with some Worcestershire sauce and some pepper over the meat. Let's give this a quick toss. In this large cast iron skillet, I'm gonna heat up some oil. Then I'm gonna place the steak pieces and cook them for 6 to 9 minutes, flipping all the pieces so they cook evenly. When the steak is cooked, remove it from the skillet onto a plate and cover. I have some sliced mushrooms here and this onion that I'm gonna chop very small. Same with my green pepper. All these veggies are going to get cooked down, combined with the meat and topped with cheese. So good. By the way, I always add a link right below the videos with the recipe details and where you can grab a copy of the Taco Tuesday cookbook. I'll add a few more taco videos for you to check out, and of course, my Taco Tuesday playlist. If you're a taco fan, then hit that red subscribe button. A new taco video is coming out every Tuesday for a year. So that gives ourselves something to talk about. I'm gonna add a little more oil to the skillet and add my onions and peppers and cook them down for 5 minutes or so until they start to get soft. Then I add the mushrooms and cook until tender. To the veggie mixture, we're gonna add a little bit more of Worcestershire sauce. To warm everything up, we're gonna add our cooked beef back and heat through it for about 2 minutes, and we turn off the heat. Let's place some provolone cheese slices over the beef and vegetable mixture and allow it to melt. You can also cover it if you have a lid. I'm gonna heat up my taco shells in the oven until crispy. You guys, all we have to do is stuff them with the cheesy mixture. Smells amazing. Whoa, check it out. Wow. You gotta make this recipe from the Taco Tuesday cookbook. It's on page 103, and I know it's gonna rock your world.